This is SmarTrend News. I'm Stephanie Hsu. Today is Friday, April 8th, and this is your closing bell market wrap-up. The major U.S. equity indices closed lower today after investors traded cautiously ahead of a looming government shutdown and the start of U.S. companies' first quarter reports. In corporate news, Google has agreed to enter into a consent decree with the Justice Department in regards to its purchase of ITA Software. The company will be subject to compulsory licensing and government monitoring of travel search and services. Google will have to impose firewalls on client data. Shares of the company closed nearly 0.33% lower at $578.16. Johnson & Johnson has announced it will pay $70 million in fines, disgorgement, and interest in a settlement related to publicly disclosed Foreign Corrupt Practices Act investigations by the Justice Department and the SEC. As part of the settlement, the company has entered into a Deferred Prosecution Agreement with the DOJ and a consent to final judgment with the SEC. Shares of Johnson & Johnson closed relatively flat at $59.46 on the news. Taking a look at where the markets closed on Friday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed 0.25% lower at 12,380 points. The S&P 500 closed 0.4% lower at 1,328, and the NASDAQ closed just over 0.5% lower at 2,780 points. For further updates, stay tuned to SmarTrend News. I'm Stephanie Hsu.